Alright everybody, this is me, Nathaniel, and my beautiful wife on the camera, Ashley.
Hi.
And I am, I'm a full-time reseller. My wife, she's a full-time pharmacist technician. And I figured I was going to make a video. We had
I know.
I know.
I'm the director. You have hat head.
You gotta ignore all this stuff in the background. This is all just...
Fly by our pants. Seat of our pants. That's the dress I wore to the wedding, along with the suit that he wore, and just extra Go Clemson Tigers. Okay, proceed.
There we go. So, we did a drawing, and the person that won that drawing was Miss Dawn with Dawn's channel. And, she got in touch with us and said that she had something for us. We have no clue what it is. She sent it out in the mail, and we're going to open it and share it with you guys. So, here goes. And thank you, Miss Dawn. Whatever it is, you didn't have to do it.
Yes, thank you.
Yep.
I don't even know what it is yet, and I'm excited.
Me either. Oh, and these bags. Miss Dawn is very, very, very upset, by the way, y'all, about these packagings.
It's a beautiful package.
She usually makes these nice and neat and, you know, does the sides and all. And she's just upset because of the post office and everything because...
they won't allow her to do it.
They want it to be a box in a bag. And Miss Dawn, this is completely fine. There's nothing wrong with that. It looks...
Yeah, if somebody don't like it...
Yep. I've seen stuff shipped in trash bags before. So, you're good. Alrighty.
If the camera shakes, I'm sorry. I have to shake my arm. Shake my arm. I have to scratch my arm. He could have gotten a pair of scissors, but he was not prepared.
Nope.
Here we go. He's still opening. Okay, let it be.
Let it be. I mean, let it go. Alrighty. Oh. I know what that is. Oh, wow.
Hey, there's stuff in it, too.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, I love that Love and Beauty stuff.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
So I'm going to have to back up a little bit on our daughter's bed right here that we're opening this stuff on. Got one of those.
Ooh, a mud mask.
Socks. Oh, I can use some socks.
Wow. Yes. And it's getting winter, and he likes long socks during the winter.
So we got that. We got this. Miss Dawn, you did not have to do this.
No. And peanuts.
Prevagen.
That's Prevacid.
Prevacid. I'm so used to Prevagen. Prevacid.
Which is a great antacid, by the way.
Yes, it is. Fish oil. Great for the heart.
Yes.
Awesome. Collection of... and you collect these now.
I do. I love them.
Corks.
Corks. It took me a minute. I'm sorry.
I am sorry about the shadow, guys. I don't have a whole lot of good lighting in here.
Ooh, toothpaste.
We were almost out, too. Awesome. Severe cold and flu.
Ooh.
Wow.
I'm severe.
Uh-oh, this looks like an Ashley thing right here. Oh, man. But she packages stuff very well.
Yes, she does.
Awesome.
I got a new purse. You didn't get a new purse.
I didn't get a new purse. I don't need a purse.
You need a merce.
A merce. Trash. I'm getting it, guys. I promise. I don't want to mess it up.
I was going to say, if you break it, you'd buy it.
Right?
Oh, that's going in my shed.
Oh, wow.
That's going in my shed. I say that all the time. The Lord tells us to make a joyful noise.
Yep.
Here, bring it here. It says, make a joyful noise, Psalm 66. I always say that the Lord tells us to make a joyful noise, and then he calls it noise. And some of us, when we sing, it's noise. It's noise.
Okay. Here goes.
I hear glass.
Oh,
I love the angels.
that is pretty.
Well, that's going on my bedside table.
Yep.
That's so beautiful. Here, I'm gonna get a little close up of that one.
And then
A cookbook. I love cookbooks.
you love her already.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you loved her before.
Oh yeah.
Deodorant. Deo for the BO.
Yep.
I always use that.
I was gonna say Nathaniel needs that.
Another bar of soap.
Oh, I love. Ooh,
Oh,
ooh.
it's got the cherub on it.
I bet.
Cherub.
I know it smells good because the other ones that we got from her smelled
Yes.
absolutely wonderful.
Oh man, you.
I was gonna say you don't need to
I
open
wish y'all
it.
had smell-o-vision. Man, that smells good. It's not even open.
Smell-o-vision would be good except for some people's breath. I'm just saying.
And we got a card.
We'll read the card off camera. I think that no, you're gonna read it. Don't read
I'm
it
not
out
gonna
loud.
read it. I'm gonna read it and I'm gonna see if it's.
There's some on the back too.
All right. We'll come back at you guys. We read the card. That's nothing I can read on camera. That made me cry. Made my wife cry. We appreciate it so much, Miss Dawn. We don't know what to say. We don't have words to really say anything, but we're appreciative for you. We're appreciative for everything you've done for us as well. It's not a two-way street. It's not a one-way street here. You've done a lot for us. You can laugh.
So what? It's just a one-way street. You give, we receive. That's it.
No.
I
She's
know.
helped us. She's done a tremendous amount, and she's always telling people share your channels, and that's what it's about. I mean, she's blessed a lot of people, and that's what it is, giving back, and that's why I truly believe in. And this right here shows you that there's good people out here in this world, and we appreciate everything that you have done. We appreciate you didn't have to do any of this, and we're thankful. We hope you like what you've received from us on the win, and I don't anything else you can say. I'm lost for words.
I am so very thankful for everything. It does not go unseen, the kindness and the love that we are shown. We're appreciative of everything, but just with the friendship means more than than the gifts. But the gifts are so lovely. I'm gonna show them one more time. I'm not a good cameraman.
I needed some more dark socks. Yeah.
He needs a shower too.
Yeah. Well, Ms. Dawn, we appreciate it. We thank you for everything you've done. Again, you didn't have to do any of this, and we're very much appreciative of it. And if there's anything that we can do, let us know. We're here for you, and I will see you at your next auction. Also, everybody, if you have not been to Miss Dawn's channel, she's a really sweet lady.
We'll link it. We'll link it below. Look, there's my finger.
Yep, we'll link it
I'm in
down
my
below.
pajamas, and I'm not getting on camera with my pajamas. Nobody needs to be seeing this. Talking about the Treehouse of Horrors.
And another thing, we was going to do this video sooner. We have not opened it until today, which today is Wednesday, October
27th, I do believe.
October 27th. We put
Wait
this
a minute.
off.
It
Yep.
might be the 28th. But check your phone because I'm not sure.
27th.
It is the 27th.
So-
I was really worried that I was putting the dates on all the COVID vaccination cards wrong today. That would have been bad.
So October 27th, and we've been putting it off because I work all the time, Ashley works all the time, and we wanted to do it together. And this is the one time we had a little bit of a break, which I gotta get a shower and I gotta get ready to go back to work tomorrow, as well as my wife. But we found a way to put it in, and don't know what to say. When we thank you, and this right here Ashley loves to death, and is going to put that in her shed.
Yes.
That's pretty. She loves a little bird on a little twig, little stick. That's cute.
I make a joyful noise every day. I'm noisy right now.
And she said we could do with any of this stuff as we wish. We're gonna use every bit of it. She gets bad heartburn. she's starting to collect corks. There's a lot of DIYs out here that you can do with corks and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure you're going to find something to do with them.
Oh, yes.
Fish oil, great for your heart. You know, all of us need to be a little more, I guess.
And somebody would have to
Yes.
pry that cookbook out of my dead hands.
Yeah, before we went back live, when I was wiping my tears, I actually said I have to do something before we turn the camera back on. So I got to get them peanuts off of my book. So she loves that cookbook too. When it's done, we love everything you did. We love everything that you gave us, and we're grateful and thankful. Again, if there's anything else you can do, let us know. All her information is going to be down in the comments below, so check her out.
Description, not comments.
Description, I can put in the comments as well. So
Yeah, but
links.
check out her channel. She does
Yep.
live auctions. She's a very sweet lady.
Yes,
Show her
she is.
some love out there, YouTube.
That's right. Go over there, show her some love, and keep the love going on through this little community of YouTube. And there's a lot of love in YouTube. This great close knit community. From what I've just a little bit of time I've been on YouTube. Just when the first shout out I got from Redneck Resale all the way to now, so many wonderful people that I've met along the way. So, and I'm thankful for every one of y'all. And until next time, y'all take care.